The stable DTF printer R1390 is a high-performance direct-to-film DTF printing machine designed to offer reliability, ease of use, and superior print quality. Built with advanced features, this printer ensures vibrant, durable prints on a variety of fabrics, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professional users alike. Whether you're producing custom clothing, crafting accessories, or personalizing items like bags and hats, the R1390 is equipped to deliver excellent results. White ink mixing and circulation system. One of the standout features of the R1390 is its white ink mixing and circulation system, which prevents clogs and ensures smooth ink flow. This is crucial for achieving vibrant, detailed prints, especially on dark fabrics where white ink is essential as a base layer. The auto-cleaning function further enhances performance by minimizing maintenance, helping you avoid common printing issues like ink blockages, ensuring consistent and high-quality output. User-friendly design. Designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind, the R1390 is easy to operate. It supports DTF film rolls up to 13 inches wide, offering flexibility for larger projects or high-volume printing. Whether you're handling large orders or fulfilling custom, on-demand prints, this printer provides an efficient solution for any scale of production. 6-color printhead. The printer is equipped with an advanced R1390 printhead, which offers CMYK+WW 6-color printing. This configuration allows for faster, more accurate color reproduction, ensuring vibrant and stunning prints. With a resolution of 1440 by 1400 dpi, your designs will appear crisp and vivid, making it ideal for printing on t-shirts, jackets, hats, bags, and other customizable items. The 100% transfer rate guarantees that your designs are seamlessly transferred onto the fabric, maintaining their quality and integrity. Durable transfer effect. One of the key benefits of the R1390 is the durability of its prints. The designs it produces are waterproof, wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and can withstand washing machines without fading. This durability ensures that your prints not only look great, but also last for a long time, offering superior performance for customers seeking long-lasting, high-quality custom products. The printer itself is designed to have a lifespan of over 2 years, ensuring reliable performance for your business or creative projects. Comprehensive technical support. The R1390 is compatible with Windows 7, 10, 11 systems, and it comes with dedicated technical support to help with installation and operation. Whether you're new to DTF printing or an experienced professional, the printer is backed by a professional after-sales team ready to assist with any challenges you might encounter during setup or printing. Conclusion. The stable DTF printer R1390 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to produce high-quality, durable prints on a wide variety of fabrics. Its advanced white ink circulation system, user-friendly design, and high-resolution 6-color printhead make it a reliable and efficient option for both large-scale production and small custom orders. Whether you're printing t-shirts, accessories, or other textile products, this printer ensures vibrant, long-lasting results that meet the demands of today's market. With comprehensive technical support and easy-to-use features, the R1390 is a powerful tool for expanding your printing capabilities.